On this edition of Off-Roading with the Rust Belt Boys, behind me here is a 1970 GMC Chevy Blazer here. This was basically a wreck here. If you see the old pictures here, we'll show you how bad it was. We used our fixtures here and our welding technology and our parts here to rebuild this truck here in about 4 days. It's completely rebuilt. We put it back on the original frame here. As you can see, we use original fenders, original firewall, and all the reproduction parts that we do produce here at Rust Belt Off-Road. It looks really cool here. It really lines up great. And let's go check it out and see how it looks. Right now, we are next to the Blazer that we recreated here on our fixtures, proprietary fixtures. Original front end fenders, original firewall, original dash, original transmission tunnel. We used all our parts here to recreate this Blazer using the precision fixtures here. You can see the fit and finish on this here as a steel tub. It's really, really superior to anything on the market. The original dual insulated top fits perfectly here. You can check the gaps out. Looks nice and level on this truck here. Went on the original frame. We had to shim it a little bit. This was a plow truck at one time, so the frame was a little twisted. We got all the line up here, and at Rust Belt Off-Road, we can do all this stuff here for your fitting, upfitting, suspension work at Rust Belt Off-Road. We can do it all here in the mechanic shop. And this is the original tailgate we use in this Blazer build as well, and the gaps here are phenomenal, left and right. Original brackets went inside this truck as well. Had a full interior at one time, so this will go back together just like it did in 1970. Behind me here is a 1973 Bronco here that I painted in chrome yellow. Yellow is a very difficult color to paint, so you saw us taping this here and making it sure it was all uniform. No edge lines is what you want on yellow. Very tough coverage on this. The material in this yellow alone was 3 gallons of base coat for coverage over a white sealer. That's a lot. So, and the cost on it's about $8,000 just in liquid yellow paint on this classic Bronco. Yellow is expensive, reds are expensive, and custom colors are expensive, but there's $8,000 in color on this truck. Check it out, the bed line underneath, ready for reassembly. We'll go down and be sanded and buffed. Okay, so what we got here at Rust Belt Off-Road is we're developing a flat cover here for the cowl top. The reason why this is done is to put the air conditioning box up here higher and have more room for your computers and stuff for your type of conversion. So we got this piece here we've had laser cut out. We're adjusting the height here, and we're gonna make this boxer fit. This is completely removable. It's gonna be hidden behind here. And when that's done, it'll be a really slicker feature we're gonna add here at Rust Belt Off-Road.
To lip off how you first told me, it'd be easier to butt weld.
Correct.
But if we do it right here, we can just overlap and weld it. And depending on who's welding it.
Right, but it might look, if we don't come back to it, it might look stupid with the, be more protruded out, you know?
Well, it's going to be even on the other side.
Even on the other side.
Now, if we cut that off and then go this, it's going to be shorter.
Right.
Which, it all depends on fight.
Yeah, if we put, well, and we come here with this, drop it down to here, and then trim it. Because where's the plug piece that we have cut out here? There's a plug piece that comes in here.
Otherwise,
like this.
I have bent it to match this part.
Yep, okay. So we got this piece here. Could bend it down this way for the lip. That makes sense too, right?
Right.
That way we're not spot welding the whole thing. We're just spot welding like the factory.
Okay.
Let's do that. So we got a plan. At Rust Belt Off-Road, we talk about it, we develop it, and it goes to production. Right there, Vinny?
Yep.
All right, cool, let's go. At Rust Belt Off-Road, this is the start of another Chevy Blazer here, and it's another customer here we're building 2 for. These are very popular, they're getting bigger and bigger, and we expect to sell up to 100 of these a year here in the coming couple of years here at Rust Belt Off-Road. Let's go check out our new project out here. At Rust Belt Off-Road here, we develop projects all the time here in body shells. Now, right now, our next one's gonna be the C10 67 to 72 Chevy truck, GMC truck cab. We've got a couple cabs stored over there. We're developing a fixture for this now, and we're gonna build these here in the next couple months. They'll be ready for production and for sale. Be around $10,000 when they're done. And if you look at them here, this is what we start with. We build the fixtures, and we get the parts, and we get to go and develop everything here in-house at Rust Belt Off-Road. In our shipping department here at Rust Belt Off-Road here, this is the Bronco here lineup. They're ready to ship out. You can see them all on a row here. We do all high-end restoration work, all high-end quality build, body builds here at Rust Belt Off-Road. New lines coming shortly, and the exciting one that's coming soon after the C10 is the square body. We'll have that available here probably next year. The parts are being stamped right now for us, and we just can't wait to get that on the market for all you Chevy enthusiasts. For all your restoration needs, your classic car needs, your paint needs, your upfitting needs, give us a call at Rust Belt Off-Road, 330-533-4757, rustbeltoffroad.com.